Sort yourself out for your fans now. What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy and you are watching Kinging It.
And this week we are finally wrapping our bus. Well, it's not us, but we got a guy in to do it.
So when we started talking about the possibilities of van life, we thought about a bus. A lot of people said, don't get a bus.
So we bought a bus.
People also said, definitely don't buy it without seeing it first.
So we bought one on eBay without a shred of viewing in sight.
I'm gonna go just in case.
2, 1, 3, 6.
Ah!
You bid.
I bid. That's me. After we ignored all of the advice, then came the Nancy naysayers.
It's a bit rusty, that.
I'd take that in a bloody scrapyard, I would.
Oh my god, what an ugly bit. But after sparking out the negative Nigels, we got to work. We grafted like giraffes. It's fine, everything's fine. We fought all the odds stacked against us, and we transformed Custard from an ugly bitch to the radiant machine you see before your very eyes. And today, the final piece of the bodywork puzzle is about to go down. Her name is Custard. And at the moment she is white, but soon she'll be our home.
The best home.
And we can go anywhere in her. And she used to be yellow, like custard.
Alright guys, let's just go straight into it, because I know half you were like, they're lying, there's not even a rack, they're taking the piss. So we're just going to show you straight away. But first, smash that thumbs up if you want to see the wrap.
Smash.
Have you done it yet? Okay, right. So this is it.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please.
Oh my days.
So, this is a little creamy number, which keeps, you know, the essence of Custard alive. She's just sort of, she will always be Custard, but this is like her teenage yellow. Do you know what I mean? It is cream. So that is going to go on the top half.
Oh.
And then this is our custom design that we've been talking about, boasting about for months now. So we kind of wanted to go, how do I say that, rich person fancy wallpaper. That's the kind of, that's literally what I said to Joe, the designer. And it's got, why are we moving this way?
Because the sun's there.
And it's got crowns throughout the design.
Pull it straight so we can show your fans.
Sorry. I was like, Joe, think like Versace shirt. Something spectacular, you know? We want that kind of vintage feel to it. So yeah, he's done an awesome job on the design, and obviously with the crowns going through, we've sprinkled the king in it on it, haven't we? So yeah, the bus is gonna look so good in it.
So a massive thank you to Dragon Signs for sorting all of this out for us, and for Metamark for providing the wrap for Custard.
Yeah, so Dragon Signs, they're like a signage company. So if you've got a business and you want some new signage, these are your guys. Also, if you've got a vehicle that you want wrapping, they're the best in the business.
Also a special shout out to our mate Steve as well, who works for Dragon Signs, who made this all happen. Nathan as well, and Wes, and also Matt the rapper. You're a bunch of legends, thanks lads. We have accumulated a small man list. So whilst the guys are wrapping the bus, we are going to smash through this like a wrecking ball.
Just before we start, can Joe!
What you're about to witness is the most sensational, the most electrifying, the most dominant tag team champions of the world! From Barry, South Wales, Craig and Amy, Kinging It!
Just a quick nap first. Only joking! My f***ing oven's broken. I need a replacement and I need it yesterday. Yayan, the guy who sprayed the bus, is coming, so I'm just going to take my outfit off.
Remember that? So now I have no milk from your tea.
Don't worry, babes. I'll drop it down to you now.
Be careful too.
Right, okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Do you nick your mum's kettle? Yeah.
I nicked the kettle and nicked the milk. She is utterly fuming.
Oh, we were trying to make the wrappers a cup of tea.
Just trying to be charming, you know? Yeah, I've got to drop it back to her now. 40 minutes away. It's not 40 minutes.
Oh, we'll do that later.
Okay, where were we? Can you tell what it is yet?
It's a bloody surfboard rack, mate.
In Surfer's Paradise.
Sick it is. Fridge for sale. I promise we'll give it a clean for you.
So I'm just cleaning it up. It's going to be in proper knickerbocker glory. The reason we're selling it is just because we want something a little bit bigger, and we got one. Checkmate! I'm trying to do a pitch here, please. Trying to sell our fridge.
As you were.
I forgot what I was saying now. Knickerbocker glory. Then we fired, and then. So yeah, we want one with a freezer. So we're selling it.
So
It's basically brand new. Like it's in top condition.
Apart from the poo particles on
It's a
it.
Dometic fridge. 60 litres, I believe.
DM us if you want it.
Yeah.
Sorry, lads, we just had to pop out to record the podcast. We got a podcast, don't know if you know.
Yeah.
So,
Kinging It.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, it's called the Kinging It podcast, and we didn't do it last week because we nearly died. So we just took a week off. But yeah, we're back.
So we'll catch you tomorrow on the vlog. Good morning, lads. Today, the final part of the bodywork puzzle is happening. We are driving to Yayan and he's going to spray Custard's skirt and Custard's roof to finish off a sexy look. Custard, you spoiled tart! Here we are, lad. Here we are. Yayan's open. So excited for this. How buzzing are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I can't wait.
Okay lads, we've had the phone call. Custard is ready to be picked up. We're about to go and see the final look. You buzzing,
I can't wait. I'm more excited now than I was about it being white. So obviously this is the finished product. I can't wait.
This is what we've been envisioning for so long.
Yeah.
And we're about to see it. So we're driving to Yayan now. We forgot to say as well, for the bodywork, Yayan's place is called M&M Commercials.
Yeah.
So if you need any bodywork and spraying, go and see him. He's in Cardiff and he's amazing.
Yeah.
So let's go and see our girl.
Oh, let's go pick our little girl up.
And that is it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Ah, only joking.
Everyone's kicking bins now, sat at home like, are you kidding me? This is our bus.
Custard the bus, mate. Brand spanking new. How good is that?
Wicked. I actually love her way more than I thought I was going to. She looks so good. She looks really vintage. We wanted to go for that like darker green and cream contrasty, like 1960s, 1950s type of bus.
Yeah.
And I think we've nailed it.
I think we nailed it.
We didn't nail it, obviously.
Well, the lads
the
did.
guys, yeah.
But yeah, it's hard to imagine we would have... I was looking at the photos where we were pulling the bus apart, when we were finding all the rust, and from where we've come from to now, it's incredible the journey that this bus has been on.
Yeah.
And we've restored it to like basically looking brand new.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I just want to say, for all of those of you that said it can't be done,
rule your own world, innit?
Yeah.
I mean, I just can't stop looking at it. We were just walking up to it then going, look at it, it looks so good.
So my favourite part is the design. So if you come up close, you'll be able to see, obviously we went for the Versace rich person's wallpaper type look. And if you see in the light, the way the light shines, we've got gloss crowns. Oh, so posh, Craig, so posh.
The guys at Dragon Signs, they actually printed out the stickers, so we had to go around individually and stick them all on, and it took a bit of time, but it's totally worth it.
It looks so good.
Not as long as the wrap, like, but we did our bit, didn't we,
We
babes?
did our bit, so we have helped.
Did we wrap a bus?
We basically wrapped the bus.
Oh, what a dream boat.
All the flies though.
Yeah, there's a lot of flies. We need to get off the farm soon because they're
they
going to...
poo on it and they leave little black marks. But yeah, buzzing.
So that is it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys for holding out. We weren't lying about the wrap, like we said.
Yeah.
She's done now, you've seen her. So we've got a few more pieces left to do, like with the gas and bits and bobs. So in the next couple of weeks, hopefully we'll be on the roads making videos again.
We will. We bloody will, Craig. And I cannot wait. So obviously, as you guys know, one of our first stops is going to be Scotland. NC 500, we're coming for you. I just cannot wait, especially if this weather holds out.
Yeah, man.
And I just want to show her off.
Yeah.
I just want people to stop us in a campsite and be like, I like your bus. And I'll be like, thanks, mate. She's ours.
So that is it for this week's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're brand spanking new, press subscribe. And what should they do every day, Aim? Tell them.
Is that not press subscribe? No.
Rule your own world.
Rule your own world.
1, 2, 3, bye.